Can't match up to 6 bars, trending #1 public figure. Uno could get the lads of lads and the king of kings to team up for your song for this, my son. Squash still a win.
So in this update, we have Squash Mother, a break silence like always. She talk a bag of things and she make everybody know so them can't keep up with 6 bars. No matter what them do, no matter how them team up, they can't bring down 6 bars. He go always be on top. We also have Valiant in this update. The entertainer I get this up about his capping ways on the media. Viewers and subscribers, this update is one that you do not want to miss. Big up on yourself like always and remember, leave a subscribe. So Vali made this post to his IG yesterday and it says, send this to a family or a friend that's doing music, show them some support. All of the young artists, them, don't stop working, you're almost there, believe me, don't give up. Each song opens a different door for a new fan, stay focused and stay out of trouble. Big up Valiant for the message there to the youths them who is doing music. Yeah man, big up on yourself man, and just take on the time and just put in the work same way, your time will come. You see me? Yeah man, big up to Valiant, panda message there, no joke.
The post of the man them money and the man them catch you and a fake thing. And you're so hurt, you go back and forth with the man them. Just admit the fact, say the man them catch you a fake out the thing, a post of the man them money. I'm gonna think on the rich. Pussy about on the rich. Here am I think there were Bill Gates. When them they even build feds. Valiant a long time, you know you're fake and you're a capper. But me go hear you say 30 million gone from the Shelly. You know you're a fraud pussy. You hear that? Fraud and you alone. Enough more of them a post up people things. Telling you say don't make social media fool you know. Because social media is not what you really see. You hear that? Enough man a cap up on it. Idiot, Valiant. You know, you see look like I want a random man. You just look like I want a normal civilian Valiant.
Yeah man, so Valiant is getting called a capper. He might get this everywhere on social media. Everybody a call him a capper. So leave with a take in the comments. Valiant just a joke this out. Valiant not really take it serious. Him just a laugh it off and you know. Yeah man, but just leave with a take in the comments. Let me know when you think about it.
If alien come here TikTok, you know Shelly not rich. I'm not brag and boast on media. Me not rich, but I know me can help myself. Yeah, me not rich, me not care. God bless my son. I hear that. One say a bad man the artist, you know. What you know God powerful? I think of the powerful. Me not wish dead power, you know. Me not wish prison. Me not wish nothing about me just leave the car. Guess what? Someone can't walk free. Me walk go anywhere. Me never run left man take a beer yet. Never. Guess what? When I walk with God. I'm not bad mind. Me soul with the man in a jail. I'm not bad mind you. But could I get the kings of kings and the lords of lords to do so? Still say #1 and is still favored by God. Uno may not live to reach squash age. I live to go to prison. Uno go dead before no reach a prison because uno mouth. Uno quit out the enemy part on yourself. You're a good girl. 6 sons for 1 man. No boy can't queen Shelly head and her legs open. Enough boy me grow around me. Enough you to take care of. I never pass in place with me. One Maladan to the world. You can't cap on media. I can't see Maladan in real life and move to it. No there. Bad mind the artist say, you don't have no skill, you don't have no talent, one and countries like Mama Lashley. One no skill, one no talent. In fact, they come take people at Batman. Big got this, people pray for this and this and you don't have no power. No powerless. And that's bad mind. That's bad mind. Bad mind, no care, no don't know, will never succeed in life when I go feel till I'm dead. No see me big, me eat, me think me no homeless. Me never kill a soul in my life, me swear be to the man there. Just look for me good. Me not for there for it, me have a sick mother in Jamaica, me have to take care of. What there for it?
So Shelly I make them know say no matter what them do, no matter how them team up, them can't get down 6 bars. Them can't stop him. Him a go always be up. Yeah man, she went on They say them can't do Malidan nothing. Them only can cap on the media. Me feel like she attacked Valiant there, so, but she never called her name, so we'll just leave it right there, so. But she a defend Malidan. Viewers and subscribers, Shelly make them know say them can't stop 6 Boss no matter what, no matter who them team up with, them can't stop the entertainer.
Why? Squash. A public figure, trending number 1. I'm telling you this. When I dig one for dig 2, come I tell you say. Me, I want powerful girl. Think I'm powerful yet? When I pray for people dead, when I pray for people don't fall. Me not pray for them don't fall. Me the pray. That's God change you no bad mind ways. I don't care what artists you no get. I don't care match up to 6 Boss, trending number 1 public figure. Uno could get the lads of lads and the king of kings to team up for your song for this my son. Quash still a win. No bad mind friend. Uno they watch me crutches. Uno watch Quash Cap. Uno watch Fred man them batty. Uno done my youth a batty wall. Uno they watch me crutches. How much man F me? So who they beat me? Now it's bad food, you know. Because I know worse to come food, no. Psalm 91 and Psalm 35 and calling the real name to God every day and bad. Because I know worse to come food, no. That's how they get the team up. Don't care who they get the team up. 1 6 Boss to the world, 1 Shelly London. I want baby father me have. Me have 6 sons for 1 mom. Me not brief with Tom, Dick and Harry. And baby father is still alive. Wanna know about me? No boy can beat me. No boy. He's got a rich. I don't care who him be. And my son not afraid of nobody. My son them afraid of no boy. But he can use them bigger come out.
So that is it for this review, viewers and subscribers. Like always, big up on yourself, leave a subscribe, and catch you in another one. Yeah, man.
Open. Me keep me eye them open up and pretty pussy them and I go round them.